Welcome to the Netherlands, a country brimming with picturesque landscapes, fascinating history and vibrant culture. From the timeless beauty of its canals to the stunning natural parks, the Netherlands offers an incredible range of destinations that you won't want to miss. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to explore the 15 most beautiful places in this enchanting country. Whether you're an avid traveller, a lover of art and history, or just looking for some travel inspiration, this guide is perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1. Amsterdam Canals. First on our list is the iconic Amsterdam Canals, a truly magical way to experience the heart of this vibrant city. Spanning over 100 kilometres and lined with historic 17th century townhouses, the canals form a beautiful UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can take a relaxing boat tour to admire the architecture, cross picturesque bridges, or simply wander the cobbled streets and discover charming cafes and unique shops. And at night, the canals are beautifully illuminated, offering a totally different perspective of the city's beauty. Number 2. Keukenhof Gardens. Next, we have the Keukenhof Gardens, also known as the Garden of Europe. Located in Lisse, just a short drive from Amsterdam, Keukenhof is one of the largest flower gardens in the world, spanning 32 hectares. Every spring, millions of tulips, daffodils and hyacinths bloom in a spectacular display of colour. It's a dream for photographers and nature lovers alike. The gardens are open only for a few months each year, but when they are, they become one of the most visited flower gardens in the world. Number 3. Kinderdijk windmills. At Kinderdijk, you'll find one of the most iconic sites in the Netherlands, 19 traditional windmills that have stood the test of time. Built in the 18th century to help drain water from the lowlands, these windmills are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can explore the area by foot, bike, or even take a boat ride along the canals. These windmills are a testament to Dutch ingenuity and a must-see when you visit this beautiful country. Number 4. Giethoorn. Next up, Giethoorn, a fairy tale village often referred to as the Venice of the North. What makes Giethoorn so unique is that there are no roads, only tranquil canals, wooden footbridges and quaint thatched roof cottages. To explore the village, you can rent a whisper boat, which lets you glide silently through the canals, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque pathways. The peaceful atmosphere here is like no other, making it one of the most charming spots in the Netherlands. Number 5. The Hague. The Hague is not only the political heart of the Netherlands, but also a vibrant city filled with culture, history, and scenic beauty. The city is home to the Peace Palace, which houses the International Court of Justice, and is a place where many important international decisions are made. You can also visit the Mauritshuis Museum, which holds an impressive collection of Dutch Golden Age masterpieces. Don't forget to visit Scheveningen Beach, where you can relax, enjoy fresh seafood, or take part in water sports. Number 6. Zaanse Schans. Zaanse Schans, located just north of Amsterdam, offers a glimpse into the Netherlands' rich history and traditional Dutch way of life. Here, you'll find well-preserved windmills, historic wooden houses and charming workshops where artisans still make wooden clogs and cheese. This open-air museum is perfect for anyone looking to learn more about Dutch culture, and it's also an incredibly photogenic spot. A visit here feels like stepping into a living postcard of the Dutch Golden Age. Number 7. Rotterdam. Rotterdam is a city that constantly reinvents itself. Known for its bold and modern architecture, Rotterdam is home to landmarks like the futuristic cube houses and the striking Erasmus Bridge. It's a city of innovation, with stunning skyscrapers, cutting-edge design, and a thriving cultural scene. Whether you're exploring the colourful Markthal for local delicacies or admiring art at the Boijmans van Beuningen Museum, Rotterdam offers a fresh and exciting take on Dutch culture. Number 8. Utrecht. Utrecht is a city that perfectly blends medieval history with modern charm. The city's centrepiece is the Dom Tower, the tallest church tower in the Netherlands, offering panoramic views over the city. Utrecht is also known for its unique canal system, where you can explore the picturesque canals with their wharf-level cellars, which are now home to charming cafes and shops. The city is known for its relaxed vibe and is a great spot for cycling and leisurely exploration. Number 9. Leiden. Leiden is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands and is brimming with historical significance and charm. Known as the birthplace of Rembrandt, Leiden is a cultural haven with its ancient botanical garden, fascinating museums and picturesque canals. The city offers a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for a relaxed stroll along its charming streets or a boat tour of its scenic canals. If you're a history or art enthusiast, Leiden should definitely be on your list. Number 10. Texel Island. Texel Island is a tranquil escape for nature lovers. Located in the Wadden Sea, Texel offers a range of activities from cycling through its rolling dunes to birdwatching in its nature reserves. You can spend your days exploring its wide beaches, quaint villages and charming coastal landscapes. The island is perfect for a peaceful getaway, with plenty of opportunities for relaxation and adventure. Don't forget to visit the Eco Mare, where you can learn about the island's rich wildlife. Number 11. Hoge Veluwe National Park. Hoge Veluwe National Park is one of the largest and most diverse national parks in the Netherlands. Spanning over 13,800 acres, the park offers a variety of landscapes, from dense forests to expansive heathlands and sand dunes. What makes this park unique is that visitors can explore the entire park by bike, free of charge. Along the way, you'll find beautiful wildlife, peaceful trails, and even the Kröller Müller Museum, home to an impressive collection of Van Gogh paintings and modern art. Number 12. Maastricht. Maastricht is one of the most culturally diverse cities in the Netherlands, with a rich blend of Dutch, Belgian and French influences. Its charming cobblestone streets and historic landmarks like the Basilica of St. Servatius make it a city full of character. You can also take an underground tour of the caves that run beneath the city, a fascinating adventure that gives you a unique perspective on Maastricht's history. The vibrant Vrijthof Square is the perfect place to sit and soak in the lively atmosphere. Number 13. Haarlem. Haarlem, located just a short train ride from Amsterdam, offers a charming escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Its central square, the Grote Markt, is home to the stunning St. Bavo's Church, famous for its grand organ, once played by Mozart. Haarlem is also known for its art museums, including the Frans Hals Museum, and is just a short distance from the famous tulip fields that bloom in the spring, making it the perfect destination for both art lovers and nature enthusiasts. Number 14. Delft. Delft is a city known for its iconic blue and white pottery, which has been produced here for centuries. The town itself is a charming maze of canals, cobblestone streets, and historic buildings. The Nieuwe Kerk is one of the most important landmarks in Delft, and it's also the burial place of the Dutch royal family. Take a tour of the Royal Delft factory to see how the world-famous pottery is made, and don't miss the lovely shops selling this iconic blue porcelain. Number 15. Friesland and the 11 cities. Finally, we arrive in Friesland, a province that's full of charm and natural beauty. This region is known for its 11 cities, each with its own unique character. The Elfstedentocht, an ice skating race between these cities, is a beloved tradition. Friesland offers a variety of outdoor activities, from sailing and kayaking on its lakes to cycling through its picturesque landscapes. The region is also home to some of the most beautiful medieval architecture in the Netherlands, making it a must-visit for any traveller. From historic windmills and charming villages to vibrant cities and breathtaking nature, the Netherlands truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, these 15 beautiful places are just the beginning of what this amazing country has to offer. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow travel lovers.